हे व्हाट्सअप पीपल, माय नेम इज सिद्धार्थ। वेलकम बैक टू चैनल अगेन। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। मैं भी बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज है 26 जनवरी और विजय सूर्यवंशी सर है हमारे साथ। इन्होंने डिलीवरी ली है ऑल न्यू 2021 ऑडी A6 की। तो मेरी तरफ से और हमारे पूरे ऑटोविद सीट चैनल की तरफ से इनको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। तो आज मैं इनसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा। 2021 में अगर आपको प्रीमियम कार लेनी है, लाइक मर्सिडीज हो गई, BMW हो गई, ऑडी हो गई, तो इनका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, इन्होंने क्या क्या रिसर्च की है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं। लेकिन वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कीजिएगा और ऑल के ऊपर क्लिक कीजिएगा। बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो।
Good afternoon, I am Vijay Suryavanshi. Happy Republic Day to everybody. My wife.
Yeah, hello everyone. I am Dr. Sharmili.
Before cementing the deal with Audi, we had done a lot of research on this segment of premium sedan cars. A limited segment actually, 4-5 brands. But we explored every brand actually in this. We started with Merc to Jaguar to all these premium brands. But let me tell you, when I actually had a look at this 2021 model, I fell in love with this. It was let me tell you, it's a dream come true for all of us.
Yeah, I would like to add my husband Vijay is a hardcore businessman and he always wanted a luxury with a feature-rich segment. So we opted for Audi.
Yeah, actually, when I looked at the car from the exterior, the front grille, which I always stared at, really was fantastic. The front grille with the Audi logo and the chrome running from the start to the end actually. Tires, 18-inch wheels, fantastic. I think that's a diamond cut, what I was looking for, which I got into this car. I opted for a dark blue color, which matches my requirement actually. And exterior wise, the stance was fantastic. So this was the first choice out of all these cars. And going into the interiors actually, it was sheer luxury. When I went for the driver's seat actually, this is the first car I saw with 3 consoles. I rarely have seen a car with 3 consoles actually. Very difficult to actually getting accustomed to this, all these features right now. It will take some time, but fantastic features inside. Legroom is fantastic, though it's not a very large panoramic sunroof, it's sufficient for us. And the ambient lighting.
Yeah, being a tall family, we always need a greater space. And looking at the interiors, they are excellent. The cockpit and the graphics installed in the cockpits are too good. One more thing is the subtle and beautifully designed car, and the most lovely part which my all family loved is the Bang & Olufsen music system. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
The infotainment
long
system.
drives will be really enjoyable with this kind of an audio system, which I really look forward to. Sunny, I know Sunny for a long time, and I should actually contribute my decision making to my family, but Sunny also played a major role in that. Thank you, Sunny.
Yeah, we could finalize our decision because of Mr. Sunny.
Yeah.
And my family preferred a safety, a luxury, and a beautiful
And a power also.
power component.
This is a
That is
241
Audi,
horsepower.
yeah.
Hello everyone, Happy Republic Day first of all. And so this is the brand new Audi A6 2021 model. We are all grateful for having this. This is like a dream come true for all of us, and I personally believe that this is one of the best car in the segment. I still remember 5 years ago, my father and my brother had come to Audi Nasik showroom, and at that time we had tried Audi A6 and we really liked that car. So after that we researched a lot, switched to some other Mercedes cars, but finally ended up with an Audi. So I think that itself says a lot. It's a wonderful car. I believe that in this segment, so this is mostly compared to the 5 Series and E-Class. But considering all the factors, the luxury, the power, performance, and the most important cost, I think Audi A6 fits optimally in all the parameters, and I think it's one of the best. Thank you.